This home we built is breaking me slowly. It once was filled with dreams and joy for two. Now it's torn apart and left in pieces. All the love we had just faded out of view.
Tell me why you chose to hurt me when your heart was never mine. Where are all the vows we promised? Now I'm left in pain, my love behind.
They accuse me, say I'm lost in darkness, but I know the truth about you and me. Still I carry all this burden silently.
I endure it all quietly.
This is the pain from the way you treat me, like crashing waves against the reef.
I'm shattered, broken into pieces.
All my joy has turned to grief,
And my tears keep falling endlessly.
oh, this is the pain from the way you treat me.
Like crashing waves against the reef.
I'm shattered, broken into pieces.
All my joy has turned to grief, and my tears keep falling endlessly.
This drifting boat is falling apart now. Your hidden heart is far from me. I've endured the whispers all around us, all the lies they speak so quietly.
Still I try to forgive and hold on, hoping you might come back to me.
But forgiveness feels so heavy.
Now you're gone, and I'm left empty.
Tell me why you chose to hurt me.
When your heart was never mine.
Where are all the vows we promised?
Now I'm left in pain, my love behind.
Tell me why you chose to hurt me.
When your heart was never mine.
Where are all the vows we promised?
Now I'm left in pain every time.